How to freeze location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to freeze location on iPhone, launch the settings application firstly and scroll down and tap on privacy and security and then on location services. You will see the option for share my location. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the button for share my location. You can also open the control center and tap on the airplane mode option in order to disable the available networks, which will further freeze location on your iPhone. You can disable airplane mode when you no longer require to freeze your location, and this is how you can freeze location on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.